Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial, we will learn how you can turn any old jeans into a stylish dress. I'm using this oversized jeans that I have already at home. So first thing is just cut your jeans. So let me show you how you can cut. So first from here. And guys, if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. I already uploaded videos about how to make the dress for beginners and all these things. You can check in my playlist. See, now these two legs are also we are going to separate, and I'm just showing you in a fast forward mode so you can easily understand within the less time. So now just separate here also, and if you really like this video, please don't forget to just press the thumbs up button. It will really help me to grow on the YouTube channel. And see, now just turn it inside out and cut all the pieces. So your jeans fabric is ready for the measurement. And let me tell you that this tutorial is without any pattern. You can use any your dress to just mark the just to mark the lines. So this is the dress I'm using. First I need to mark my body. So this is a 7-year-old girl dress. So this is the body, and same way even you can make for your dress as well. Now I just measured the shoulder. Here it is 12, so I'm just marking here 6. Then the next thing is armhole. For that I will keep here a scale, and this way I just mark this is also 6 here, the armhole line. Then the next line is chest. So for chest you can take like this the measurement. And if you don't know how to take the body measurement, I very well explain in one of my video. I will give a link in the description so you guys can watch that video. So just roughly I'm just marking 6 inches is my shoulder line, 6 inches is my armhole, and then the chest line is almost 7.5 here. And just you have to keep in mind that you leave the seam allowances as well. And this is the total body size, and after that also I need 1 inch for the stitching. So this is all the linings, and now just let me mark the armhole and the neckline. And now I'm just going to cut my this body part. So after cutting this, let me show you how you can prepare the frill part. So these two pieces are ready, front and back. So for front, if you mark the front, just trace it as it is for the back as well, and your back side is also ready. On the back you can attach a zip. So zip also you can use same zip that is insert in this jeans. So I will show you how you can cut that zip to reuse it. No need for any new material. And also I will show you how you can use the pocket to just decorate your this dress. So first thing is I'm just removing this belt. So this is also just a designing part. It depends if you want to make here a belt style dress. So I'm just removing this belt. Just cut your belt from here so that at the waist point you will give an effect that there is a belt. So I'm just removing this belt, and now I will attach this belt here, and then the frill part will attach the down of this belt. So the frill part, just cut if you feel something is extra. No need to be more precise and to make the to make the fabric very straight, because this is the fun part of this project. So if something is wavy or not even, it is actually the style. And so see this, I roughly cut 2 pieces, and then again I will cut 2 more pieces and to make a frill part here. So just I'm also going to cut my neckline because it's for kids, so I'm not cutting it very deep, but for you can cut it more deep. And guys, if you feel that length is not enough, you can add some frill part on the down of your this dress, so you can use any other printed fabric to make it more interesting. So now I'm just removing the zip so that you can add this zip in the front, or you can add it on the back, because for kids we don't usually make the neckline very deep, so it is a very good idea to insert this zip. And see, this is the fabric that I use. If you don't know how to use how to sew a zip, I will give link in the description about how to sew a zip, very detailed tutorial for the beginner. So I just attached the belt, and now I'm preparing the frill part. I just took two pieces from the leg side, and don't worry if they are not very straight, just stitch from here to join this, and make just attach the center for part of this here, and just make the knife plates. You can make the box plates, whatever place you want, or even you can do the gathers, but as the jeans is a thick fabric, so better to make the plates instead of the gathering. So this is the way you can make the box plate, but here I'm going to attach the knife plates. So just let me quickly fold all these plates, make sure that all these are equal, take some time to pin up properly, and then go to the machine. And guys, if you really like this video, just give me your feedback. If you don't like, even then also just thumbs down, no problem, but at least give me your feedback. And if anything you want to learn, please just comment below, so I will make a tutorial for that also. So after making all these plates, I'm just going to my machine to stitch all these things. And as you know guys, that I prefer the black machine instead of my white machine, because black machine is more comfortable to stitch with the thick fabrics, and these jeans are very thick with this and all these layer. But if you have these wide machines, plastic machines, so just go with a slow speed so you can handle, otherwise your thread will break again and again, because there are a lot of there are multiple layers there. Hope you understand my point. So I just quickly stitch all these gathers here, and you see this is the front part, and same thing I'm going to do for the back. Just cut the extra the thickness inside from the inside, and see, because it is very thick now, so just cut the extra parts. We don't need so much seam allowances here. And if you have a serger, it's a good option to do this project with that. Anyways, so now my front piece is ready. I'm going to do same thing on my back piece, and then I will show you what to do next. So this is the back piece. Same way, just pin up it from the starting and the from the middle, and just do the knife plate. So now I'm just removing this small pocket that is inside of a pocket, and usually used for the coins. And see, I'm just going to cut it, and this is the decoration part or designing part. So you can be creative, you can make any other applique, or you can even attach a fabric fabric flower. I will give in a link in the description how to make a fabric flower. So after this all, just now you see how cute it is. And now just attach the front with the back, same as we do any of our dresses. So see, this front is almost ready. Now I'm just placing it like this. Just cut the extra all these things, extra layers, and put front on the back. And just now it's time to attach all these things, the shoulder line and the fitting lines. Just stitch it, but before that, just pin up properly these two pieces. And let me show you how. See, these red marks are where you have to stitch. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.